styling floral embroidered gowns for events. Hi everyone, welcome back to Finesse Couture Insights. I'm Sweta and today we're talking about one of the most versatile and timeless trends in couture, floral embroidery. Whether you're designing for a bride, a bridesmaid, or simply attending a special event, floral embroidery offers endless elegance. In this episode, we'll break down how to style floral embroidered gowns for different occasions, silhouettes, and seasons. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell. Let's get blooming. Choosing the right silhouette for floral embroidery. Floral embroidery works across many silhouettes, but each serves a different vibe. Let's go to the A-line and flared gowns. This is perfect for a romantic, sweeping look, paired with full floral embroidery across the skirt and train. Then comes the fit and flare or fishtail. Go for the delicate floral vines running along the curves, a favorite for cocktail parties or evening galas. Then the empire waist style. This is great for young girls. Think floral embroidery dress for girls with subtle waist bloom placement. Pro tip: use scattered floral bunches for a whimsical look and climbing vines for a dramatic, elongating effect. Color palettes and seasonal styling. Color plays a huge role in the vibe of your embroidered gown. So for spring and summer, pastels and blush tones with soft pink, ivory or lilac florals. For autumn and winter, deep maroons, forest greens, tangerine and gold threadwork over dark bases. Then there's the monochrome look. So try an embroidery dress in white or off-white with white florals for a luxe bridal minimalism. You can add a touch of color to add some drama. So choose contrast florals for high impact and tone on tone for timeless elegance. Then comes the length. This matters, mini to floor length. The length of your dress affects how embroidery is placed and perceived. The mini. This is best for pre-wedding events like bachelorette parties. Use floral motifs just to accentuate an area, say neckline or around the waist, for more of a placement technique. Dress with sleeves. A winter wedding favorite. A full sleeves florals in organza or tulle brings regal vibes. Then comes the floor length embroidered gown. So this is best for receptions and ceremonies. Go all out with all over florals, sleeve accents and back panels accentuated. Your design note? Balance is key. So if your gown has heavy sleeve embroidery, go for lighter on the body or skirt. Now let's get to the accessorizing and hairstyling tips. Florals call for soft, elegant accessorizing. Jewelry, so avoid over-accessorizing. Use pearl or pastel tone statement earrings or floral hairpins. For the shoes, nude or gold sandals go best with multicolored embroidery. For the hair, for a floral embroidery dress for girls, try half-up styles with braided accents. For adults, a low chignon or loose curls complement the look. So what's your style hack? Match one embroidery thread color with your eye makeup or nail polish for visual cohesion. Now let's get to occasion-based styling inspiration. So for engagements, go bold with a pastel embroidered gown featuring floral beadwork and illusion sleeves. For the bridesmaids, stick with simpler floral embroidery dress for girls with pastel threads and minimal detailing. The reception, choose dramatic embroidery placement on sleeves and bodice with sequins or metallics added. For a day wedding, opt for lighter thread colors with floral bunches scattered across the gown. Remember one thing, the embroidery sets the tone, so don't compete with it, enhance it. And that's your style guide to floral embroidered gowns. From mini dresses to full sleeve bridal wear, floral bring freshness, romance and character. Thanks for tuning in to Finesse Couture Insights. Hit subscribe if you haven't already and let me know in the comments what floral style you'd wear to your next big event. Next up, we'll wrap the Sweta series with how to customize embroidery for international brides. See you soon.